All right, here we have one of the new logical thinking types of questions. And we can see that the experimenters believe that experiencing awe is going to make people feel more altruistic, or at least they might not believe it, but they want to test for this. So they come up with this experiment where they have people either stare up at these big tall trees, which produces feelings of awe, or just stare at a normal building, and then somebody nearby them spills a big box of pens. Do they help pick up the pens, and how much do they help pick up the pens? So that's what we're looking at. So if our thesis is feeling a lot of awe is going to make you feel more altruistic, more giving, more caring, more taking care of your fellow human being, then we can assume that the people who are having the feelings of awe by looking at the really tall trees are going to be quicker to volunteer to help pick up the pens, and they're going to pick up more pens. That's my working hypothesis because it backs up the information that we're presented with. And sure enough, that exact situation is described in answer choice A. The participants who had been looking up at the tall trees and were experiencing feelings of awe helped to pick up a greater number of pens than did the people who were looking at the nondescript building. Remember, we're looking for evidence that would support the hypothesis of the researchers. We're not saying this is what happened. We're saying this would be an example of evidence that would support their thesis.